konnichiwa. So we already know how many alphabets are in Japanese language and what are they. So today we are going to learn Hiragana alphabet, but only vowels. So there are 5 vowels in Hiragana alphabet. We pronounce it as, so I wrote here, A, E, U, A and O. These are A, I, U, E, O. But we don't pronounce like that. We are learning Japanese and we are talking about Hiragana alphabet, right? So Hiragana alphabet, there are 5 vowels. So need to pronounce as A, E, U, A, O. Okay. So first we are going to talk A letter. We are going to write A letter. So there are 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah, okay, you can practice. And then E. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1 and 2. Okay. And then U. 1 small stroke here. And then like bit curve. 1, 2. Okay. A sound. A letter. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. O. 1, 2. And here small stroke. O. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. So here are the 5 vowels in Hiragana alphabet. A, E, U, A and O. So then we move to the next lesson. Bye bye.